G'day and welcome to the assembly video of ROK Misting Pedestal Fan model 52389. Go to page 4 on the instruction manual, which describes the assembly instruction of the pedestal. Grab the, as described in the instruction manual, the stand base. This is the heavy component. Grab 2 pedestal poles. The knurled end goes through the rectangular plate and is inserted through the base, held in place by the washer and stud, screwing into the pedestal column. Do the same thing with the other side, through the plate with the large mudguard washer and stud. Assembling and tightening with the spanner provided. Lay that onto a flat surface and then grab the base cover, this component, slide over the posts, and push until it snaps into place. Grabbing the motor head, loosen the locking knobs so that they are retreated beyond the base of the hole. Assemble onto the 2 uprights. Screw them, once seated, screw them up and to lock the fan head into place. The pump assembly base has a flat edge here which matches with the cover. Insert that there. The water tank has a little valve in it which will insert into the base here, and then the lid of the cover, for which the bottom hose will fit into, being gentle just to push it through or into, and it will sit comfortably on top. The assembly of the guard and blade assembly, 2 pieces. This is the rear, the handle goes to the top. Undo the lock nut. Assemble the rear guard cover. Do the lock nut up tight. Remove the shaft protection sleeve. The fan blade has a groove which must match the pin on the shaft. of the motor. Lock the blade into place with the knurled nut, screwing it anti-clockwise. It has a left-hand thread. Just hold the fin of the blade, do it up taut. In assembling the front guard, the hose connection is facing downwards. Release the locking mechanisms on the side. This little bolt is a locking bolt. Which will lock the guard into place. Assemble the guard cover. And insert a small locking bolt through the mounting hole on the base of the guard and securing with the lock nut. Connect the hose to the front. You're now ready to fill the container with water up to the level, replace the cover, plug the unit, ensure the lead is untied, plug the lead to the motor, remove the pin cover protector into a standard 3-pin outlet board, switch it on, switch your pump on, switch on the side, it will start pumping the water up, and then select with your remote control what setting that you want on either low, medium or high speed, and the misting on natural or normal operation. The fan will oscillate and give out a nice fine mist for cooling. Thank you.